Hello, welcome back. Sunday, never fun to work on Sundays. Today I have to finish up a trophy shelf and working on a rush order. This one here, this one needs to go tomorrow. I need to put sealer on this one. And this one needs a shelf. Let's get that really quick while we're at it. We got plenty of shelves here. This one looks pretty good. Let's see. So this one goes here, except it's not long enough. Please hold. Let's try this one. I have pre-cut those. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so I will install this. I will poly the sign. In the meantime, I was in Germany last week and we're finalizing my dad's estate. I was over there 1 week from Sunday till Sunday. We have cleared out the house, sold the land, or pretty much committed to selling the land to a buyer, cleared out the barn, and cut firewood. So I was doing woodwork over there, just different kind. I'll keep it short. While I work here, I'll play some clips from Germany from last week, and then hopefully I will have this done by then.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we
All right, we got the army sign done. Looking good. And trophy shelf holder done. Only have to put the backs in. So, hope you enjoyed the Germany footage. I always enjoy going back to my hometown, driving tractors. It's yeah, it's what we do over there. That's how I grew up. That's what I enjoy. I am sad to see it going, but unfortunately, that's just the way it has to be. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. I wish you a good week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.